Rando is here, and it's time. It's time for another safe and sane demo for you. And tonight, here on the BBQ Rando Ranch, we got this cool-looking fountain called CHUPACABRA. Look at that guy. And you know who it's from? TNT Fireworks, TNT me. Oh yeah, there's the top. Let's come down here. Look at this little guy. Little funky dude. He's got a little bit of attitude. Hey Ryan, there's your item number, buddy. Ryan Chapman, everybody. He's a ranch favorite here when we watch his videos. All right, so we're watching this here, safe and sane. Oh, let's go back up here. He's on the back also. Now, this one actually has 5 different colors. Would you believe it? All right, showers of sparks. There we go. We got a fancy image. Now, the last 2 I did, it was so sunny down here, I think the heat was melting my foam. This one, I think you can see a little bit better. It says, performance, unleash a legendary spectacle with this mesmerizing fountain, showcasing golden glitter, sparks, enchanting green and silvery rain effects, and fiery finale of red and white flower sparks. Oh, yeah! All right. Has anyone ever seen the glow fuse work? Would you let me know in the comments? It's been how many years now? All right, so CHUPACABRA. We're going to go ahead when it gets dark. We're going to light this puppy up, this monster. And we're going to see how things are going. Are you ready? All right, you know what we're going to say? Off to the launch pad. Oh, yeah. Rando, we're here. It's late night on the BBQ Rando Ranch. And Ziggy's here. Say hello to Ziggy. Yep, Ziggy's here. He's doing the camera with me. He's working late tonight. Overtime for Ziggy. All right, Ziggy, are you ready? All right, BBQ Rando's going to light and take off. Take off with me here. We're going to light CHUPACABRA. Let's get this little guy going here. Light fuse and get away! Whoa! What a monster! Oh, I love that little puff of sparks that come up. BBQ!